My story begins like this. I was just taking a nap outside, had the day off, and decided to go for a little walk. I usually walk in the back of my house, and there's a little trail that you can take, but today was gonna be a little different. I guess you could say I was in for it right from the start. I noticed something on the ground, and I bent down to inspect it. I could tell something had passed here, that's for sure. Earlier that week, I had heard on the radio about a family that was attacked by something in the woods. Now, I don't believe anything unless I see it for myself, and I was about to come face to face with it. Funny thing is, I never thought it would happen to me. I was getting deeper and deeper into the woods, the thick, as I called it, and I saw something else, which sparked my interest. It was a leash. Some poor soul had met his end, and this was the result. I thought I'd take it for evidence to show the local sheriff. I followed some dog tracks to a hole in the ground, and I went in to get a closer look. But right before me was the creature, the monster. I got out of there as quick as I could, and it pursued me. I ran for my life, and it kept coming. Tell you, that thing was fast. I made it to a clearing, and I turned around, and there he was, right on my tail. He came closer, and we stared each other down, like a couple of old gunslingers. He taunted me, and I cursed him. He jumped at my neck, and we fought. We fought for it seemed like hours. I would push him away, and he would jump back at me. I couldn't do anything. It was terrible. I finally pushed him away one good time, and I took off. I took off like lightning. And sure enough, he came after me. Just like before, even more vicious. I dropped the leash, and I think that's why he stopped. He wanted to smell that blood again. He was no longer behind me, but I knew he was still coming. It was just a matter of time. Maybe it was all in my head, but I tell you, it scared the hell out of me.